meron pong procedure of arresting an accused. Article 59 ng Rome Statute. A state party which has received a request for provisional arrest or for arrest and surrender shall immediately take step to arrest the person in question. Pero may next step. Ano ang step 2? A person arrested shall be brought promptly before the competent judicial authority in the custodial state, which shall determine in accordance with the law of the state that 1. A. Warrant applies to the person. 2. The person has been arrested in accordance with the proper process. And C. The person's right have been respected. Step 2 pa lang tayo. Ibig sabihin, si Digong dapat dinala saan? Sa hukuman ng Pilipinas. Sa harapan ng hukuman ng Pilipinas.